Every voice is shouting now, no one's really listening. Truth gets lost in echo sounds, and hearts are still glistening.
The city hums, the sirens cry, 1,000 dreams just pass me by. The world keeps spinning, never slow, but I just wanna know,
is there a place a soul can rest? A quiet heart inside my chest, where words don't wound, where I still care, and I can breathe the open air.
we drown in waves of silver sound, but stillness waits to be found.
If we stop and close our eyes, maybe the noise will die. Beneath the noise, there's a voice that whispers truth, a song of peace for the broken and the bruised. We've been running for so long, chasing echoes of what's gone, but beneath the noise, our hearts still rejoice. I see the screens, the endless feeds, the hunger no one really feeds. Everyone wants to be seen, but forgets what love can mean.
I built my walls from tired dreams, silent prayers and broken pleas. But when I hear your voice tonight, it cuts through all the flashing lights.
So take my hand, let's fade away to where the quiet meets the day. No need for words, no need to prove, just be still and let it move.
Beneath the noise,
Beneath the noise,
there's a voice that whispers truth,
a
song of peace for the broken and the bruised. We've been running for so long, chasing echoes of what's gone, but beneath the noise, our hearts still rejoice. Silence isn't empty,
it's full of what we lost,
every breath's a memory.
worth every cost.
Maybe love's not loud or grand,
It's the touch of a gentle hand.
we find the truth not in the crowd,
but in the quiet sound. Beneath the noise,
we found the voice of grace.
it calls our names.
In this lonely space,
No more running, no more fear, just the stillness drawing near. Beneath